Welcome to EBS, Broadcasting Center. Welcome to the 6th floor lobby area. On the 6th floor, there are television studios, and this is where most of the radio studios are located. This is one of the dressing rooms, or perhaps just a waiting room. Of course, people waiting to go into a studio will put on their makeup or change their clothes or just sit here and wait for when they have to go into one of the studios to get busy broadcasting. A command center. This is the engineering section of one of the studios. And here we are in the studio. This is my particular spot for this program. The PD is out there in the engineering section of the studio. She's a wonderful lady, very talented. Of course, I work together with Gina Kim on this program. She's also very talented, very smart, and has a good sense of humor. A very nice broadcasting partner. But you know what? Here's part of the program that most people don't see.